It was a celebration like no other. 50 years of self-rule in Kenya. The freedom, however, came with bloodshed and torture.
On the agenda, we'll do the clarification. If you want an amendment.
And just a few meters away from the Nyayo Stadium, the fate of those who selflessly fought for Kenya's independence was being deliberated on in a hotel in Nairobi.
To the Kenyan public, that indeed
it is a meeting between the Law Society of Kenya and the lawyers representing the Mau Mau freedom fighters, seeking compensation for torture and other inhumane acts caused by the officials of the colonial British government during the fight for independence. In 2009, the first case was filed in the United Kingdom, the victims being represented by 7 firms from Britain and Kenya. This after LSK cleared the 7 out of the 16 summoned Friday, 3 from the UK and 4 based in Kenya, with the firms representing between 700 and 50,000 victims. Then complaints of exploitation of victims were reported to the Law Society of Kenya. It was reported that some lawyers have already gone ahead and even told the victims the amount of money they will get if they win the case. And after a 3-hour-long closed-door meeting.
The purpose of the meeting, which you've heard, was basically to agree on the modalities of proceeding with these cases or these claims so that we can iron out certain concerns and complaints which had been raised by both the law firms, the entities involved, and also members of the public.
Concerns which range from the percentage the law firms will get if the victims are compensated and how much the victims should pay for the services from the lawyers.
The members of the public are advised and informed that they should not pay any money whatsoever to any person or to any organization which purports to represent the claims for compensation.
The lawyers were quick to say,
we do not charge a percentage. Whatever compensation is awarded to the client in court, that client gets that compensation 100%. We do not make any deductions, tandem law.
I can confirm, as my colleague has just said, GT Law's position seems to adopt the same position. We operate on a no-win, no-fee basis. We are not charging the clients. We do this work on a no-win, no-fee basis, and that means that the clients will go home with 100% compensation.
What I can say is that I've seen a form which has been brought to me indicating that amount of 300,000 as the compensation that a victim would be paid after the end of litigation.
And so such moves by some lawyers were trashed. For the freedom fighters who paid the price for Kenya's freedom, their jubilee will perhaps come if justice prevails. Judy Kosgei, Citizen Weekend.